Hello my babies, how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be reviewing these lashes which I got from Amazon. Now these lashes come in a pack of 3 plus a lash glue with it. So it's like a whole multi-pack and it is called Celisys Fox Mink Eyelashes multi-pack, and I have the variant CS15. The packaging is normal cardboard packaging, and when you open it you get 3 pair of eyelashes, and all of the lashes are of different style, like you get 3 different style of lashes. And this set is in the variant CS15. You have lots of different variant available. I picked up CS15 and I got this whole pack, the lashes and the glue, for rupees 416, which is great. You can get it for even lower price during sale. First pair of lashes we have is wispy, and they starts as a short and goes long and then ends short. And the next pair we have is a kind of fox eye effect kind of lashes, which starts as short hair and ends, as it goes towards the end, it ends with long hair. Long pair of lashes. And then next up we have is similar as the style I showed you before, but it has more volume and it is more wispy, but the hair here are shorter as compared to the previous lashes. Now these are all 3 styles of lashes, and you can clearly see the difference what I'm talking about. These 3 are different kind of lashes, different style. Now the first pair of lashes will give you amazing length, the second pair will give you fox eye kinda effect, and the third pair will give you a lot of volume and it will look very natural. Now let's talk about the glue you get with this set. You don't have to pay extra money for the glue separately. It comes with the set. It is a whole bundle. Now let's talk about the packaging first. The glue comes in an eyeliner kind of packaging, and it has brush applicator, and I really like this applicator because it gives precise application and you won't mess up or apply excess amount of glue to your eyelashes. Now the consistency of glue is not very watery and it's not very thick, and the color of the glue is white, but it dries down transparent and it holds the lashes in place for a really long time. I like this glue a lot. Now here I'm going to show you how each style of eyelashes look on my eyes. I have applied Flower Beauty mascara, and then this is the first pair of lashes. As you can see, it gives a lot of length to your eyelashes and it looks really wispy. It mainly provides you a lot of length. Now the next pair of eyelashes are shorter in the front and goes long towards the end, and it gives a cat eye or fox eye effect, you can say. Now this is the pair of eyelashes which will suit almost every kind or every shape of eyes. I really like this style a lot. Next up we have this last pair of eyelashes, which as you can see gives a lot of volume to your lashes and it looks very natural. I have used these lashes multiple times and I haven't seen any shedding or falling of the lashes. I really like the lashes, I really enjoy the lash glue, and overall this lash pack is really good for the price you are paying. It's amazing. So this was my review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram for more creative content. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, keep slaying. Bye bye.